Here's something pretty cool. What if AI models could earn their own living? Not by being sold to big tech companies, but by competing in an open marketplace where the best ones get paid automatically. No gatekeepers, no permission needed. It's not science fiction, it's Bittensor, and here's the thing most people get wrong. Bittensor really isn't a blockchain project, it's an economy for artificial intelligence that just happens to use blockchain as its foundation. If that sounds confusing, stick with me, we're going to break it down. Welcome back to Deciphering Crypto. I'm Shay, and we make crypto, blockchain, and AI simple for everyone. In previous videos, we've talked about blockchain projects, AI projects, and several videos on the Bittensor basics. But today, we're going to explain why thinking of Bittensor as just another blockchain completely misses the point. We're going to show you how it's actually creating an entirely new economic system, one where intelligence itself is the product, the currency, and the business model all at once. And don't worry, we'll use simple analogies and keep it beginner friendly. By the end, you'll understand why some people are calling this capitalism for AI and what that exactly means. So, what is Bittensor in one sentence? Bittensor turns machine learning into a permissionless economy. Let me explain with an analogy that makes this click. Think of Bittensor as a massive 24/7 marketplace, but instead of selling fruit or electronics, everyone is selling intelligence. Picture it like this. You're a baker, but your bread is actually an AI model that answers questions. Other bakers are selling their AI bread too. Customers can come in looking for the best bread, and judges, who are also AI bakers, taste everyone's bread and score it. Here's the magic. The best bakers get paid in Tau tokens automatically. The mediocre bakers earn less. The terrible bakers, they go broke until they improve their recipe. This is fundamentally different from traditional blockchains. Bitcoin's economy rewards you for solving math puzzles. Ethereum rewards you for processing transactions, but Bittensor, it rewards you for producing useful intelligence. It's actual AI work that could answer questions, make predictions, or solve problems. And here's why the economy part matters. Anyone, anywhere can participate. You don't need a business license, you don't need to convince a venture capitalist, you just need an AI model that can do something useful. Plug it into the network, and if it's good, you start earning immediately. If it's not, the market tells you pretty quickly. The blockchain part, that's just the infrastructure. The unbiased scorekeeper making sure nobody can cheat and everyone gets paid fairly. The real innovation is the economic system it enables. Most people hear Bittensor and think, oh, another crypto blockchain project. But that's like calling Amazon a website. Technically true, but misses the entire point. The big educational gap is this. Blockchains are usually about securing or moving value. Bitcoin secures money. Ethereum processes smart contracts. But Bittensor is about creating and evaluating value in real time. It's an economic competition where AI models are the workers, other AI models are the managers evaluating their work. Tau tokens are the paychecks, and the marketplace runs 24/7 with no boss. People also struggle with this question. Why involve blockchain at all? Simple answer, trust and fairness. In any economy, you need an impartial referee. Without blockchain, you'd need to trust some company to score everyone fairly and distribute payments. With blockchain, the code handles it automatically. It's transparent, verifiable, and nobody can game the system. Think of it like this. The blockchain is the marketplace's foundation and rulebook. But the interesting part, the revolutionary part, is the economy happening on top of it. Let's walk through how this AI economy actually functions. I'll keep it simple with our marketplace analogy. Step 1, choose your market. Bittensor has different markets called subnets. One might be for answering language questions, another for analyzing images, another for predicting prices. You choose where your AI model competes, like choosing whether to open a bakery, a hardware store, or a coffee shop. Step 2, the players. In each market, you have two roles. Miners are the AI models doing the actual work, answering questions, making predictions. Validators are the judges testing those miners and scoring their performance. Both roles earn Tau tokens, but in different ways. Step 3, the scoring system. Here's where it gets cool. Every 72 minutes or so, all the judges submit their scorecards. The system combines them using something called UMA consensus. It's a fancy name, but it's pretty simple. If most judges agree a model is great, it gets rewarded. If one judge tries to cheat, their influence gets limited. It's like if you had 100 judges at a talent show. Even if one judge gave their friend a perfect 10 when everyone else gave them a 3, that one outlier wouldn't matter much. The consensus wins. Step 4, automatic payments. Every block of the blockchain, roughly every 12 seconds, releases Tau tokens. The top performing miners split 41% of it. The validators split another 41%. And 18% goes to whoever created that subnet as an incentive to build new markets. This is pure economic incentive in action. Perform well, earn more. Perform badly, earn less. No human bias, no corporate politics, just pure market dynamics enforced by code. So why does framing Bittensor as an economy matter? There are 3 big reasons. Number 1, democratizing AI development. Right now, the best AI models come from companies with billions of dollars. If you're a researcher in your bedroom and you create something brilliant, good luck getting it deployed. Bittensor changes that. Your brilliant model can enter the economy immediately and earn based purely on its merit. No permission needed. This could unlock AI innovation from thousands of people who currently have no way to monetize or distribute their work. Number 2, intelligence as a commodity. For the first time in history, we have a marketplace that treats intelligence itself as a tradable commodity. Not just general AI, but specialized intelligence. Want an AI expert in identifying bird species, medical diagnosis, code optimization? Each can find its economic niche in this ecosystem. Traditional economies have markets for physical goods, services, even data. But a market for intelligence? That's genuinely new, and it creates opportunities for specialized AI models that would never justify a full startup, but can thrive in their little corner of the Bittensor economy. Number 3, aligned incentives. Because the economy rewards usefulness, there's automatic pressure towards making better AI. It's not about pleasing a boss or hitting corporate KPIs. It's about being genuinely helpful to users and validators. This creates evolutionary pressure where better models naturally win and weaker ones improve or exit. It's like natural selection, but for AI models. The fittest survive economically. Now, everything can't always be rainbows and unicorns. Every economy has its challenges, and Bittensor's no exception. First, there's a barrier to entry. To compete seriously, you might need expensive GPUs and technical knowledge. This could lead to the economy being dominated by those with the most resources. Second, quality control. If anyone can join, how do you prevent junk AI models from flooding in? The system that relies on the fact that useless models won't earn much, but in the early days, this is being tested. Third, stake concentration. Validators with more Tau staked have more influence. There's a risk of the rich getting richer, though the system has protections against total control by any one entity. These aren't deal breakers, but they're real considerations. Like any economy, Bittensor will evolve as participants figure out optimal strategies and as the rules get refined. So there it is. Bittensor isn't really a blockchain project. It's an economic revolution that happens to use blockchain infrastructure. It's creating a marketplace where intelligence competes, collaborates, and gets compensated based purely on its value. Whether this becomes the future of AI development or remains a fascinating experiment, one thing's certain, it's making us rethink what economies can be built on top of blockchain technology. If this helped clarify what Bittensor actually is, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that breaks down complex crypto and AI concepts. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear if this economy framing made it click for you, or if you have questions for those ready to dive deeper. I'll link Bittensor's official documentation below. And a quick note, if you're interested in investing in projects like Tau, I've partnered with Caleb and Brown, a crypto broker that offers personalized service, especially helpful for altcoins and larger trades. If you use my referral link in the description, you'll get priority service and you'll support the channel. Thanks a ton in advance for using the link. And of course, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. I'm here to explain concepts, not tell you what to do with your money. Always do your own research and understand the risk before getting involved with any project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Take care.